Reasons for disapproval of ad tags, loads of reasons there could be. Google will usually tell you that if you have got excessive capitalization, or the grammar is not correct, because they don't want to show a really bad ad on their platform, right? Google wants to give. Why do we love Google? Is because we get the best experience. We won't see any ads with which has got words which we shouldn't have, typos or grammatical errors and so on. So it's going to tell you for disapproval, you go and fix your ad, send it for approval, and it should be fine. Another one could be a page 404 error. There's sometimes the website is down, the landing page is not working. So obviously they don't want to show ads for someone to go to a 404 page, although they get the click and they get paid, but that's not the point for them. They want to send somebody from the right ad to the right place.